How do I unsend an Instagram message without the recipient knowing?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to unsend an Instagram message without the recipient knowing. We've all been in situations where we've sent a message we later regretted or realized wasn't meant for that person. Fortunately, Instagram provides a feature that allows you to unsend messages and remove them from the conversation. So, let's dive in and learn how to do it.
Understanding Instagram's message unsend feature.
Before we learn how to unsend an Instagram message, it's essential to understand how the feature works. The message unsend feature on Instagram allows you to remove a sent message from both your and the recipient's chat. However, there's a catch. The recipient will still be notified that you've unsent a message, but they won't be able to see its content.
Unsending an Instagram message.
Now that we know the basics, let's go ahead and unsend an Instagram message. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to the chat where you sent the message you want to unsend. 2. Locate the message you wish to remove from the conversation. 3. Press and hold the message until a pop-up menu appears. 4. In the pop-up menu, select the Unsend option.
Understanding the recipient's experience.
Although the recipient will be notified that you've unsent a message, they won't know what the message contained. Instead, they'll see a notification that says, "This message was unsent." It's important to keep in mind that the recipient might still have received a notification when the initial message was sent, depending on their notification settings.
Considerations and limitations.
While the message unsend feature is useful, there are a few things to keep in mind. You can only unsend messages that you have sent, not messages sent by others. Once you unsend a message, it cannot be recovered. So make sure you're certain about removing it. Unsending a message will not remove any screenshots or copies the recipient may have taken before you unsent it. That's it. Now you know how to unsend an Instagram message without the recipient knowing. Remember that while the recipient will be notified that you've unsent a message, they won't be able to see its content. It's always a good idea to double-check your messages before sending them to avoid any mishaps. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.